Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bring your printer from offline back online. So join me, Mark, a network engineer with 26 years experience in IT, and let's get started. So first off, what we want to do is go down to the start menu and in the search bar type printers, and we can go printers and scanners. And we can see here that our printer is a HP OfficeJet, but you may have something like an Epson, a Dell, a Toshiba, but really whatever printer you're looking at, you just want to make sure that it doesn't say offline, because that's not going to work for us. Okay, so now what we want to do is highlight the printer and then click manage. Okay, and what we want to click on is printer properties here. So we have the tabs across the top here. Click on ports, and then we've got our port highlighted here, and then click configure port. And what we want to do here is we've got SNMP status enabled. We want to uncheck that box. And SNMP is used for simple network management protocol. I say, as a network engineer, we use it all the time on devices, and basically what it allows your device to talk back to a management monitoring system or monitoring server, so it can be monitored. Now, I doubt you're monitoring your printer for a monitoring system, so we don't really need that. Click there, close as well. Okay, so that's obviously still offline, and that's not a problem. So what we want to do now is just check our printer spooler service. So we can do that by going down to the search again, type services. So here you have all the services that are running on your system. Obviously keeps Windows and all the applications running in the background. So what we're interested in is called the printer spooler, and we want to ensure that this is running and also set to automatic. So if we double click that one, and we can see here it is running. So that's good news. We can stop and restart that if we need to, but we've got manual disabled. So if it's in any other state, I would ensure that that is set to automatic and click OK. So first of all, make sure it's running and set it to automatic. So it should look like this, running, automatic. Okay. Right, so we can close that down, and now we're just going to have to restart the machine. So let me do that, and I'll be back with you in hopefully a couple of seconds. Okay, so now the computer has restarted. Let's go back into printers and let's see the status. So printers. Okay, so my HP OfficeJet is no longer offline. So that's resolved the issue for me, and I hope it's resolved the issue for you as well. And I will catch you in the next one.